All right, so now I've got my pieces where I want them. You can't see any of my organs on my iPad except for my respiratory. And I've got my brain, my respiratory, and my digestive dots, but you can't see my urinary, but that's okay because if we look over at my tablet screen, I've got all 4 organs and I've got all 4 dots. This is the screen we need to go off of. So the next step for you guys. In our blocks, it shows that we have variables for the original digestive X, original digestive Y for each of our systems. And then we've got variables for the placement dots on each of our systems, or each of our dots. So what we need to do is figure out what our XY coordinates are. So I'm actually going to do this on a piece of paper because I hate flipping screens. So on my paper, I'm going to write DS X and Y, brain X and Y, respiratory XY, urinary XY. That's where these numbers are going to come from. Then, in a second column, so my first one is systems, my second one is going to be placement, X's and Y's. So for my paper, I set it up like this, where my systems, digestive, brain, respiratory, urinary, and then my placement dots are coming over here. On my designer view, I have to write down what each of these locations are. So when I choose digestive system, I know that I need my X at -2, my Y is 650. My brain is going to be 600 and 650. My respiratory system has 10 and 69. My urinary system has 603. Now my dots are different. Those are my placements. My digestive system placement has 326, 374. My brain placement, 324, 46. Respiratory placement is 322, 239. Urinary placement is 330 and 500. I know it seems tedious, but there's no other way or no other better way to do it to be able to fill in these numbers. So my original digestive X, -2. My original digestive Y, 650. Your job for Monday, in addition to your bell ringer, is to get all of these zeros away. And you can't use my numbers because mine are different than yours. Look at it on your tablet, copy it to your iPad.